Everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. In today's video, I will show you how to apply the latest promo codes on the Highrise application to get discounts or exclusive items. Now, if you love saving money or unlocking special features, keep watching. First, you need to find the newest promo codes. You can check the Highrise app's official social media pages or visit the popular coupon websites that often post the latest codes. So once you have a promo code, open the Highrise application on your device, log into your account if you haven't already, and in the application, go to the settings or account section and look for an option to enter a promo code. This might be labeled as redeem code or something similar. So now enter the promo code exactly as you found it. Make sure to include any special characters or capitalization, then click apply or redeem to activate the code. If the code is valid, you should see a confirmation message and the discount or item will be applied to your account. And that is how you apply to the latest promo codes on the Highrise application. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.